Hello and welcome, I'm Anet A8 and in this episode we're going to be printing Pikachu. Okay, so I was looking for some really cool things on Thingiverse to print recently and I stumbled across a Pikachu model. Now, it looked pretty awesome, so I thought, okay, what could be really good to do? I know, I'm going to print this in marble and we'll see how it looks. Now, I've also got a new software on Octoprint. I think it was called Octolapse, but I'll put the name down there if I got that wrong. But yeah, that software, it looks really cool. It allows you to do some pretty awesome time lapses with your printer based on taking pictures at points in the G-code when it's a specific type of thing. I don't know the full ins and outs of it, but it makes really cool time lapses. I'll do another video on that at some point. I'll cut to the time lapse now. Okay, so as you can see, the camera on the time lapse is a little bit out of the place. I need to sort that out because I want to print a few things really soon which are going to look pretty awesome. Now, get your submissions in for Christmas items if you're making stuff Christmas based, or if you have seen any really cool Christmas themed stuff, because very soon I'm going to have to be printing it and making it. Without further ado, here is Pikachu. Now, this print came out as you would expect for a Prusa printer. It looks incredible. It stands up, it's got a bit of heft to it. I put this is actually scaled to 1,600 or maybe 1,500, the standard scale of this. So the standard model of this would be like really small, it'd be down here. But I thought what I'm going to do is I'm going to scale it up a bit. Now, I thought I scaled it up more than this, to be honest. I thought it was going to be like pretty big on the bed. It is pretty big still, so I still think it's really nice. I'm not sure that I should try painting it or if I should just leave it the way it is. Leave a comment in the section below if you want me to paint it or if you want to see me do anything else with this. If not, it's going to be a really awesome piece that I'm going to put on a shelf behind me up here with all my other really cool printed stuff and other plastic trinkets. So that is about it for this episode. If you guys want to see any more really cool stuff like this, be sure to like the video, be sure to subscribe, even also share the video with people who may be interested in 3D printing and who are looking for some really cool stuff to print. But as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.